Dr. Charles Weaver. Weaver knows firsthand the life-changing influence a faculty member can make. The 1992 CMU graduate credit psychology professor Gary Dunbar was shaping his life and ambitions forever. Now, with a PhD in neuroscience, Weaver remembers a time when he struggled as a CMU athlete and student.
I'd gotten kicked out of school, and this happened more than once. It was really disappointing, especially to my parents. So that, along with Gary saying, look, you got to be realistic. Baseball's probably not going to work out. What are you going to do? At the time, I just sort of shrugged my shoulders. I said, well, continue, working in my lab. You're doing a pretty good job. And that's where it basically took off. I saw how the other students in the laboratory were working hard. I saw how Gary rallied around them and giving lots of encouragement. That's something I really needed.
It was a lab here on the second floor of Rao Hall where Weaver evolved from near dropout to doctor. He credits CMU's Brain Research Lab with paving the road to his PhD.
The laboratory experience I got at CMU was essential because I would have to work similar hours with Gary, taking care of the animals, learning how to do the surgeries, a host of other things. But that experience I got at CMU was essential. I wouldn't have made it this far. I absolutely would not have made it this far without that background.
Let's say we wanted to position this so that we have this put down right at coordinates that we were looking at on the atlas.
I saw Gary's enthusiasm for teaching as well as good academic performance. That sort of, lit a fire under me, especially after he invited me to join his laboratory. I saw how driven Gary was. He wanted to establish this undergraduate neuroscience program. He wanted to do a lot for his students. He wanted to expand the laboratory. He wanted to get people involved in research. He felt that research was very important.
A good portion of the money raised through the capital campaign will be used to hire professors like Dunbar to further enhance the academic rigor of CMU. For Insight, I'm Steve Smith.